Hey kids, today we're going to draw a bear head. Let's get started. Draw a circle for the head. Now draw two circles for the ears. Now let's draw his hair. Now another circle for the mouth. Small circles for the eyes. A circle for the nose. Now the mouth. Bear head. Let's color. Brown.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Pink. Yellow.